Are you a road trip enthusiast or daily traveler? Ever wondered if there's a world of innovative car gadgets out there that can completely transform how you interact with your vehicle? We're about to unveil the 7 ultimate car gadgets that are not only incredibly useful, but also downright cool. So buckle up and get ready to be amazed as we dive into the future of automotive technology. Coming in at number 1 is HUDway Drive. This setup display offers the coolest way to keep your eyes on the road while also receiving all the necessary information. The display connects to your phone via Bluetooth and is compatible with all your favorite navigation apps. Moreover, it seamlessly delivers all your instant notification and texts without compromising your safety. You can even handle hands-free phone calls with ease, thanks to its modern design. This gadget seamlessly complements any car interior, and installation takes just a matter of seconds. There are also a couple of really neat add-ons available. For instance, the side view and rear view cameras boast an ultra-wide angle, and a night vision cam that allows you to see in the dark almost as if it were midday. Coming up next is this 4-in-1 USB cable, designed to make your car journeys more convenient than ever. This cable does it all. It's a USB-A to USB-C cable, a USB-A to Lightning cable, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and a USB-C to Lightning cable, all in one. No more worrying about different types of cables for different devices. With a magnetic attachment feature, connecting your devices is a breeze. The flat, braided cable design ensures durability, standing up to the wear and tear of car use. Whether you're charging smartphones, tablets, or laptops, our cable supports rapid 100-watt USB power delivery. Presenting an absolute lifesaver at number 3 is this solar-powered TPM, tire pressure monitor. This ingenious gadget is a game-changer, ensuring your safety and saving you from potential tire troubles. Equipped with small sensors for each tire, this device is a must-have for any car owner. Installation is a breeze. Simply fit the compact sensors onto the tire walls. The accompanying display provides real-time tire pressure readings for all 4 tires, eliminating the guesswork. Additionally, it's smart enough to alert you if the pressure drops to unsafe levels. Maintaining proper tire pressure is crucial as low pressure can lead to punctures, potentially costing you both time and money. By preventing such incidents, this TPM proves its worth many times over. Recharging is hassle-free thanks to the incorporated Type-C port and a solar panel. Remarkably, even after 2 months of usage, the battery remains at 100%, demonstrating its efficient power management. Incorporating cutting-edge technology, this solar-powered TPM is a testament to innovation and practicality, providing peace of mind and potentially saving you from larger problems down the road. Introducing an exciting new addition at number 4, the car humidifier, a real game-changer. Regardless of your location, if you're someone who frequently relies on your car's air conditioning, you're all too familiar with the discomfort that comes with dry air. But fear not, because this sleek device is here to provide the perfect solution. Compact and highly portable, this car humidifier is ingeniously designed to unfold and hold up to 200 milliliters of water. What does it do? Well, it transforms that water into a gentle mist that permeates your car, effectively restoring the moisture balance and turning your journey into a much more enjoyable experience. And here's a fantastic extra. You have the option to infuse the atmosphere with your preferred scents, using essential oils or delightful aromas. Imagine stepping into a car that not only feels fresh, but also smells delightful. Say goodbye to parched throats and dry skin. With this smart gadget, you're in for a smoother, fresher ride. At number 5, we have an essential gadget that you must have in your car. A dash cam is a device that records video and audio of the road in front of your car. It can be a valuable tool for recording accidents, documenting road rage incidents, and capturing other events that happen while you're driving. Dash cams come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and they can record in different resolutions and frame rates. Some dash cams also have features like night vision, parking mode, and GPS logging. The benefits of using a dash cam are many. For one, it can help you get insurance money if you are in an accident. Dashcam footage can provide clear evidence of who is at fault in an accident, which can help you get the compensation you deserve. Dashcams can also help you prove your innocence if you are accused of a traffic violation. For example, if you're pulled over by the police for speeding, you can use your dashcam footage to show that you were not speeding. Dashcams can also be used to document road rage incidents. If you're the victim of road rage, you can use your dashcam footage to report the incident to the police. In addition, dashcams can be used to capture other events that happen while you're driving, such as wildlife encounters or police stops. This footage can be helpful for insurance purposes or simply for documenting your travels. If you're looking for a way to protect yourself in the event of an accident or another incident, a dash cam is a great option. Dash cams are relatively affordable and easy to install, and they can provide you with peace of mind knowing that you have a record of what happened on the road. Coming in at number 6 is this windshield sunshade, which is ingeniously crafted to tackle scorching sun and high-temperature conditions, making it the perfect companion for hot and sunny regions. Designed with the convenience of an umbrella, it effortlessly collapses to a compact size, easily storable within your car's door pockets or glove box. Installing this lifesaver is a breeze. Just unfold the umbrella and position it against your car's front windscreen, securing it in place. The front side of the sunshade boasts a smart silver reflective coating, masterfully engineered to combat the intense heat that typically infiltrates your car through the windscreen. By effectively repelling this heat, it actively minimizes the interior temperature of your vehicle, transforming your car into a much cooler haven. For those frequently confronted with sun-soaking parking spots, this accessory emerges as a true game-changer. Not only does it champion a more comfortable in-car experience, but it also emerges as a guardian for your car's interior plastics, shielding them from the perils of swift deterioration caused by relentless sun exposure, ensures your car's interiors remain in impeccable condition. And finally, at number 7, we have Breath Alcohol Tester. It's essential to address the issue of drunk driving while not promoting it. Some people might still drive after having some alcohol, even if it's not a lot. To help people check if they're okay to drive legally, there's a solution: a mobile breath alcohol tester. This device measures the alcohol in your breath and tells you if it's within the legal limit. It's a good way to know if you can drive safely before you start your journey. When you connect it to your smartphone, it not only shows your current alcohol level, but also estimates how long it will take for you to be sober again. Using the device about once a month is recommended to keep it working well. If you don't use it for a long time, it might need adjustments. This shows why using it regularly is important. What's interesting is that this device isn't just for testing alcohol. Even when you're sober, it helps the sensors stay in good shape. The cost of the device is usually around $100. And there you have it, folks. With that, we have discovered 7 innovative car gadgets that can revolutionize your driving experience. At the top is the HUDway Drive Display, offering safe access to navigation and notifications. A versatile 4-in-1 USB cable simplifies charging diverse devices with magnetic attachments and rapid charging support. The solar-powered tire pressure monitor guarantees safety by providing real-time pressure readings and alerts. Combat dry air discomfort with a portable car humidifier that adds moisture and scents to your vehicle. A dashcam captures road incidents and aids insurance claims, while a windscreen sunshade battles scorching heat. Lastly, a breath alcohol tester promotes responsible driving by checking alcohol levels. Embrace these gadgets for a safer, more enjoyable journey into the future of automotive technology. Which of these car gadgets are you most excited to try out? Be sure to share your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.